I will show you how to permanently delete your Facebook page and some important facts you should know. It's better to use Facebook original application than light application. Open your Facebook application and go to your admin Facebook account. You can click on your profile and then you need to switch your Facebook page. Click on page button, then go to settings and privacy. Click on settings, scroll down and find go to access and control option. They give three options to do. If you want to delete your page permanently, click on delete page, then continue. Again click continue. Here if there are posts or content or other activity you should keep, you can download it here only if you like. Again click continue. Then you should type your admin account password. Click on continue. It's the last warning of deleting page. All your message, post and content will be deleted permanently after 30 days. Click on delete page. After complete that process, automatically switch to your admin account. You can recover the page that was deleted within 30 days.